So disclaimer, I'm not a full-time YouTuber, that's quite obvious. I don't have a fancy team or a big studio. I literally film in my bedroom. I have a 9 to 5, I have other responsibilities, and honestly, very limited time. But what I've managed to do was build a system that has actually helped me to post consistently. No burnout, no spiraling over perfection, just an honest, productive update from me. This isn't a growth hack video, it's just an update on how I'm building my creative system. This is the creative process that's been working for me right now. Scripting, filming, editing and posting as a small creator starting from nothing. Chapter 1, why you need a system, not just motivation. So when I first started, I thought that showing up would be just about motivation and willpower, that creators were just built different, ultra motivated, ultra productive machines. But the more I listened to people like Ali Abdaal and Thomas Frank, the more I noticed a similar theme. They don't rely on motivation. They always talk about something called systems. Systems built from the ground up. What is this, you might ask? Well, let's put it this way. Motivation is unreliable, but systems win every day. A system is something that you can follow on your worst days. That's what keeps you consistent. And I like how Ali Abdaal says it, it's make it easy to win. And as I started to create more, that became the goal for me. Making showing up really simple, repeatable, sustainable to achieve my goal of just making more content. Chapter 2, scripting/planning content. So I don't write full scripts every time. I try to capture ideas. Throughout the week, I write down quick thoughts that I have into Notion or my iPhone notes pad. And most of them aren't great, but a few stick and a few actually get me going. And times that I find that really help me are in the morning, during my lunchtime, or after my 9 to 5. I try to block out time to turn one of those notes into a simple long-form video script. Then I take that same long-form video script and I write a short-form version of it. And I got this idea from Thomas Frank, who batches his content in formats, not just topics. And of course, I use AI in today's day and age to make it really easy. So that way I'm not reinventing the wheel every week. I'm stretching one good idea into many good formats, and the goal isn't just cleverness, but I want to be consistent and clear in the kind of content that I'm making. So every time I create, I ask myself this: can I say something that's just worth saying with every video? Chapter 3, filming. When I feel calm, not perfect. So I'm not a robot. I don't film every Tuesday at 5 p.m. I film when I feel grounded, when I feel calm, and then I feel ready. House is quiet and I can feel like I can speak without tension. For me, that's usually early in the morning or just after dinner time when I finish up my day job. And honestly, I think this mindset really takes the pressure off. Rather than having a strict filming schedule where you're forced to speak on camera even when you're not feeling like it, I think that's less productive. And I just use natural light, a single camera with my phone as my script reader. And if I'm in a good flow, I try to batch record. So that means I just film multiple videos one time. But if I'm not feeling that well, I'll just try to film at least one video and get that out. I'm not trying to chase the perfect video. I'm just trying to build the creative trust with myself. Chapter 4, editing lightly. Good enough is better than perfect. So I think this will be the main pain point for a lot of small creators, is the editing process. And editing for me is where I used to go crazy. I used to overthink every cut, every word, every pause, and honestly, it drained the joy from creating from me. Now I try to keep it really simple, keep it honest, not perfect, and I trim what needs to go, and I just keep moving it forward. So I still want quality, but I'm aware that I'm early on the journey and I'm not trying to get the perfect edit. I'm just trying to get content out there that I can be proud of. And for anyone out there that is unsure of if they want to make videos but they can't edit, I'm letting you know that you can find people to help you edit, or you can use AI software to help you edit. So don't be discouraged if you are not the best editor. You can still make content. Chapter 5, posting without overthinking. So I'm sure everyone has that feeling when you post that first video. You just keep refreshing the analytics to see that you still have no views. But now I try to post and just walk away. Just work on the next video, the next piece of content, because the truth is that the algorithm isn't my audience. I'm not making it the goal to chase views because I know it's one that I can't control. I'm trying to build a body of work and slowly improve my filmmaking, my scripting, and my filming, and getting better at the creative process isn't always reflected in the views. And I learned this from Ali Abdaal again. He calls it the rep game. You don't succeed because of one video. You grow because you keep showing up. You upload weekly and you work on YouTube a little bit every day. Not to impress, not to go viral, but to actually get better at making videos. So then I'll actually get views because people want to watch the videos that I make. So that's my goal, just to get better every day. So if you made it this far in the video, here's the recap. This system that's helped me stay consistent, even with a full-time job, even with limited time and life going crazy, is getting those ideas on paper and then finding small bits of time to script it simply. When I get free time and I feel really calm, I film and then I find time to edit lightly, or I use AI or send it off to edit. I try to post consistently and not look at the analytics. I simply watch my video to see how it can be improved. It's not a viral strategy, but it's a creative rhythm that I feel like I can sustain. So I'm starting from 0 and we'll see how many subscribers I can eventually get, but I'm trying to stay consistent and get better at my craft. So if you guys are on the same journey, please let me know.